Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey, and yes, we're sitting on a toilet. Is it kind of funny, Alexis? I'm here with Alexis Sanderson, and she is 9 years old. She has spastic quadriplegic cerebral palsy, and she is big enough to sit here on the toilet. And she does go to the toilet by herself, well, with someone helping her. So what the family has found that is if they sit her sideways on the toilet, that she's not afraid of falling in, and that she's safe, especially now that her feet can hit the floor. By sitting on the toilet sideways, then they don't have to have a special toilet seat that you can get that attaches to the frame that have her sit down. Can you sit up real big for me? Alexa, sit up big and tall. I see you've got a hurt spot on your knee. Can you sit up big and tall? And so from here, she can relax. She often leaned forward like she just did then to be able to have a bowel movement or to be able to pee. And this is a safe way that she can be what someone does not have to sit and hold her, such as me. Oh my gosh. She can be here all by herself. She can have a little bit of privacy and sit safely on the toilet. I hope this is a trick that will work for other families who have a child similar to Alexis. Another thing that Alexis's grandmother wanted me to show is something she got simply at Walmart that helps for when they're out in public and she needs to go to the bathroom. Because she's a big girl now, but she needs to sit on the toilet. Not all places is an okay place for her to sit sideways. So they have, this one's a Jewel Baby. There are other brands that have this too. Has suction cups on the bottom, and then it can simply go right on top of the seat to be able to make it so she doesn't feel like she might fall in, to give her a bigger base of support to be able to sit safely on the toilet. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.